Hello and welcome to my channel, and today I've got for you a collaboration with a nail company. As you can imagine, absolutely delighted when this company reached out to me. You know I love false nails, and I have to say, put my neck out here, these are some of the nicest false nails I've had. They said to me I could choose some different designs, which I'll show you now, and then I'll also show you a tutorial showing you how to put the nails on a bit later in the video. So what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to I'll show you these and then I'll pop on the screen a picture of the actual nails, what they look like. So we've got a few different designs. I've gone for quite neutral stuff, so I've actually got a set on today. So they're just sort of the plain pink. Love those. I think they're one of my favourite designs. Or are they? No. I think there's about 3 or 4 that are my favourites. So they're the pink. And then the tutorial I'll show you in a minute is with these beautiful, quite natural with little daisies on, which I absolutely love. And then they've got these, which are, these are like a French nail, but the actual white bits are a little bit longer or go further down your nail. So that's quite unusual. They've got all different sort of lengths and shapes. I've tended to go for slightly longer ones, but they have got a lot shorter if you want them. So next up, we've got this sort of pearlescent style. And then these are sort of all the rage at the minute. So they're sort of patterns. A lot of nails have got the white patterns on them. So I thought I'd try those. Are they sort of a coffin shape? Sort of. And then similar to those are these with the pink and the white. These are probably a little bit long for me. So what I'll do, as I've done with the pink ones that I've got on, I've actually just emery boarded them down, got a nail file and just shaped them how I like them because they were quite long. So with those, I'll possibly do the same. But they've got like an accent, well, they've got a couple of accent nails. And then this design's got a bit of blue in it, which is a little bit different for me. I love that. It's sort of got a heart design with it. So with each set of the nails, you get quite a lot of stuff. And I have to say, this is, as nails go, it's quite high end. So you get a brochure, which tells you exactly how to stick all your nails on and how to sort of like nail care, which is lovely. You get some glue, which is pink. Now, I've learned a bit of a lesson recently. I've never really paid attention to stuff like that, but when you've got a natural nail on, a pink nail glue doesn't show so much through the nails. So we've got that, and I've actually used their glue to stick these on, and I've had these ones on for 4 days now, and they're all still there. None of them have pinged off, so that is a decent glue. I'll be honest with you, the glue does damage your nails. So what they also sell with theirs is the option of using sticky tabs. It's interesting actually, because most sets of nails you either get glue or sticky tabs, so to get both is really good. I've not tested these, so I don't know how strong they are, but yeah, if you don't want to damage your nails, use sticky tabs. And then I've sort of done this the wrong way around actually. You also get a prep pad, a little cuticle wooden pusher backer, don't know what you call that, and then just a little branded nail file. So yeah, really impressed with these. I hope to work with them again because I would like to order some more. So BETTYCORA have given us a discount, which I'll pop on screen now, and then in the description box down below I'll put details of the discount code and then all the links to the nails that I've shown you. So now we'll go on to me giving you a little tutorial of how to stick them on. Right, we've got everything here lined up, all of the nails I've selected, along with the cuticle stick, the prep pad and the little emery board. So first off, wash all your hands thoroughly, making sure you get any excess oils off. With the cuticle device, gently push back each of your cuticles, getting rid of any excess dead skin. Then with the emery board, rough up your nails slightly because this gives the glue a little bit of texture to adhere to, and then just neaten off your nails. Get out the prep pad and remove all the excess oils and bits of skin off your nails.
Then we select the right size for each of your nails, making sure you push it into the nail bed, and then either side of the nail needs to have no gaps. So just try all of those. So these are the stick-on pads if you're going to use these. I'm not actually going to use these for this set, but just wanted to show you them there. And then this is the pink nail glue that I mentioned earlier in the video. So I'm actually going to use the brush from this kit, but I've dipped it into their glue just to try it. So a little bit of glue on the nail, and then you place the nail into the nail bed, making sure there's no gaps either side, then press the nail down for about, I hold it for about 20 seconds. You can also put a little bit of glue on the underside of the nail if you want to as well. So there we go, press it down, hold it for 20-ish seconds, and then the nail glue will be set. And there they are. Don't they look absolutely gorgeous? Really hard wearing as well. Lovely nice shine on them. Absolutely beautiful. I love this design.
So I hope you've enjoyed that. I absolutely love filming nail videos. So I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. And hopefully you might consider checking these out, because they are honestly really nice. A little bit more expensive, but you know, sometimes you get what you pay for. And with the discount code, obviously that knocks it down a bit. And at the end of the day, it is a lot cheaper than getting acrylics done. Acrylics in the UK now, you're looking between £25 and £30. And then the upkeep of them. So yeah, for me, I haven't had acrylics for years. For me, I am now a false nail addict. So I hope you've enjoyed that. If you have, please do give me a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Drop me a comment down below and let me know which was your favourite design, or if you might consider buying some now. Yeah, on my recommendation. That's always nice to know. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.